Guys, good night or good morning or good afternoon, whatever the time you're watching this. So today I'm going straight to the point. I'm preparing jollof rice or brown rice, or what do I call it? I'm just preparing brown rice or jollof rice. So but before we go to the video, don't forget to subscribe. Kama just subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. Don't forget, just subscribe, and then let's do this. Tufikisha 10k at least at the end of this month, this year. Yeah. So I'm going to go straight to the point, straight to whatever I'm doing. So I am going to show you whatever I'm going to use to prepare the rice, so that it is a very simple recipe. I don't want to cook something complicated right now. Sina time, like I'm so hungry. So I want something that itaiva very fast. Hey, TCB Naturals. Yeah, let me go ahead and upload. So anyway, let me show you what I'll be using tonight. So to start with, I have minced meat that nilisha chemsha, and then this is the fruit I'll be having tonight. I have carrots, 2 carrots. Niko na hizi sijui zinaitwa aje, kitunguu saumu, kuna pilau masala, ginger, of which sitatumia hii yote, nitakata. And then I grate it. 1 big onion, 2, what are these? And then this is hoho, nisha kata hiyo. And then I'm going to be using this tomato puree. And then 1 cup of rice. And then as I cook, I will be drinking hot chocolate because it's at night and it's so cold. So I'm going to prepare, grate the carrots, the kitunguu saumu, and the ginger, na nikatakate the onion, so that we just go straight to the video, right? So everything is ready to be prepared. Tomato puree, Royco cubes, hizi ni ginger, kuna kitunguu saumu, carrots, and then the onions and the cooking fat nimeweka huko. You people niambieni mbona gas yangu inatoa hizo masauti za to to. Alafu hii maji nachemsha, ndo nikimaliza kukaanga hapa maji yangu iko imekauka imechemka already, nisisumbuke. So we are cooking the onions until they turn golden brown. Zikuwa almost kuungua but zisiungue. Not black but darkish. Actually not golden, darkish brown. My water has boiled, so nizime hiyo gas. And then with this color, I'm going to add my tomato puree. And my carrots. I'm also going to add kitunguu saumu and my ginger. So I let them cook for just, I think, 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then add my minced meat and these Royco cubes. So I'm going to let them cook until the color changes completely. So with the procedure that I've used, nimeweka carrots and the spices first and then the minced meat later, sababu nilikuwa nisha boil minced meat. But alternatively kama hujakaanga nyama bado ama hujachemsha bado, unaweza ukikaanga kitunguu, you add in your minced meat ama your nyama immediately until it turns blackish hadi ive. You get me? Hadi ive kabisa na turn blackish. Sufuria usijali itatoka. And so as I wait for it to cook, I'm going to add my masala. Not too much pilau masala, just a little bit of it, sababu I don't want my food to be so, ndaita sitaki ikuwe na uchachu sana, ukali sana. And then at this point you can also season your food. Chumvi kidogo. And then cook. See, the color is already changing. To blackish. So tutazipika hivyo hadi zikuwe blackish. So the aroma in this room is just amazing. So mnaona already isha turn rangi kabisa. So I'm going to add in my rice. Nishaosha mchele, so ndaongezea. And then mix well. Nifanye corrugation. Vizuri tu. So nitaikoroga hivi for around 3 minutes. So after kukoroga, nitaongeza maji, boiled water. And then mix evenly. Sasa tungoje. Alafu moto, mimi napika nayo ni moto kidogo. Kidogo sana. So nitafunikia and then ive pole pole. My God, you guys, look at that. Our rice is so much ready. Yes. Okay, I shouldn't do that. I'm just so excited. The aroma inside here is thick. The color thick. The taste. Thick. Time management thick. So it's time to serve our food. Yes, look at that. Not ready for this, so supper is ready and you are welcome, by the way. Mimi ni mchoyo. Ta-da! Yes! Look at that. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. So I have my juice, my mangoes, a banana, and I garnished using hoho. Sijui kazi zinaitwa nini, capsicum ama ni ndizo turnips ama ni nini we, but these ones, oh my god, look at that, you guys. So delicious. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more.